Net C1 Standard C states that we must advocate for policies, procedures, programs, and funding strategies to support implementation of the shared vision represented in the school and district technology plans and guidelines. A successful technology program's foundation is its policies, procedures, programs, and funding strategies. Tech coordinators or instructional coaches can advocate for this by developing strong policies, procedures, programs, and plans, and setting a sustainable budget that gets adjusted or updated each year. The assignment that I completed in this course that helped me to meet this standard was the policies and procedures presentation that I created, where I compared other school systems to my school system. By doing this, I can decide if what we are doing is the best choice or if we need to explore other options. I can also make recommendations on policies, plans, procedures, and funding strategies that have worked for other school systems in our state. You can click on my screencast presentation to view my Google slide on my school system and the other two school systems I compared. You can also view other assignments that I have already discussed that help me to reach this standard as well.